When you want to write a code, you can do it in many different ways. Today I want you to learn a little bit about this and this control that we got here, these loops. So I'll take this one. I will try to use it to have the condition of when the light or the analog input here is lower than a certain value, something happens. I'm going to do it here. While the value here, what is the value here? It's an input, no? We can read analog pin number 0. This is number 0. So when this is, for example, lower, this is lower than 300, for example, let's try to use this one. Do something. For example, all the time that this condition is true, we are going to do something. Otherwise, we do something different that we can put here. So this light, the red one, for example, connected to 9, should be off. So output, here we got number 9 to be off. Off means low when this condition is true. So while the analog input is lower than 300, this light had to be off. Otherwise, it's going to be on. So now it should work. Let's check it out. We start the simulation, and at the beginning is low because probably the values here are very small. Let's see if we start to put some light. We see that when we put some lights, this is off and this is on. Okay, so it's working. It does what we want. Let's see other thing that we have to do. The green one should do the opposite of the red one. So when this is low, this has to be blinking. Not high, but blinking. Blinking means high, low, high, low. So, for example, number 8 should be sometime high and sometime low. If we put it like this, we are not going to see anything. We have to wait some time for us to be able to see it blinking. So we go to control and wait some milliseconds. I prefer that in milliseconds. 200 and 200. That's it. As it's going to blink, but I don't want it to blink forever. I want it to blink 4 times. So here we are. Everything that we put here will happen only 4 times. And let's see where to put this. When this is low, it should blink. So blink, go here. I think it should work. Let's see. Start simulation. Now it's blinking all the time. Almost. Because it's blinking all the time. And when the light is on, it stops. That's okay. But there's a problem. An unexpected problem. That I tell it to blink 4 times, but probably it start again, it happen again, and blink 4 times again. And I want you to blink 4 times and stop whatever the light is. It's until the light go and then higher again. You know what I mean? When it's high, it stop. When it's low, it blink, but it should stop here. Not repeat again and again. So we have to find a solution. So I want to memorize when we have passed this loop. So I think we need a variable. For example, call it loop. So we set the loop is true. We have passed here. And we can set loop is false if the light had changed, and then put here a condition that say, okay, we are going to do this only when loop is 0. So if we come from here, not if we come from the same loop one and again. Okay, so the condition are here again. If this variable equal to 0, we blink. Otherwise, we don't do it until we pass here. Let's see if it's working. Blink 4 times and stop. Perfect, because we change here the values. And now we put some light. That's red. It's not blinking, obviously, because we are in this part. We come here. It blink 4 times and stop. Perfect. We did it again.